Attention! This video is made for educational purposes only. The experiments shown here may be performed only under professional guidance. I do not take any responsibility for the damage done to the persons and property caused by the recreation of these experiments. Name of today's experiment is Storm in a Flask. The safety gear includes chemistry lab apron, chemical gloves and safety goggles. The chemicals required are ethanol, concentrated sulfuric acid and potassium permanganate. The apparatus required are flat bottom flasks, 2 beakers and 1 spatula. First we pour about 50 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid in the flat bottom flasks. We add ethanol into it. After that, we add few crystals of potassium permanganate. We wait for few seconds to observe the wonderful reaction to start. First, the crackling sound comes out with sparks, and then it keeps on increasing as if there is a storm taking place. Nice reaction to observe. The reaction continues till all the potassium permanganate reacts. A closer look of the storm at speed is equal to 3x. This wonderful experiment is known as storm in a flask. The same experiment can be performed in a test tube, and thus the experiment can be known as storm in a test tube. In a test tube, we first pour concentrated sulfuric acid, then we pour ethyl alcohol, so that the ethyl alcohol and concentrated sulfuric acid make two distinctive layers. After that, we add few crystals of potassium permanganate into it. We just wait for few seconds for the reaction to happen. The sparks are formed inside the test tube. A closer look of the storm at 3 times of the normal speed. Chemistry behind the experiment. Potassium permanganate reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, forming manganese oxide, which oxidizes alcohol. One of the products of this reaction is oxygen, the bubbles of which rises up from the reaction interface into the ethanol on the upper layer. The combination of the volatile alcohol, molecular oxygen and the heat generated results in the formation of random storm with micro thunder and intense burst of glamorous lightnings. The chemical equations for the reaction is as 2KMnO4 plus H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus Mn2O7 plus H2O. 2Mn2O7 gives 4MnO2 plus 3O2. Hope you have enjoyed this demonstration.